Hello, Professor. It is Vladislav, and I'm presenting my programming project. In this video, I will briefly cover the project's realization. First of all, this is my report. GitHub link is clickable, and repository is publicly available. Additionally, I have a populating tables script in my repository for you to be able to easily insert information into the tables. Now, my IntelliJ project is up and running, and then I will try to do some API calls. I will try to do API calls on entity cities, and as you can see, we have 12 identifiers here. Now, we are trying to get city with ID number 3, that's Magdeburg, Germany. That's right, Magdeburg, Germany. Now we will try to add new city. It will be Marseille, France. It is okay. 18, Marseille, France. Let's check also in database. 18, Marseille, France, inserted successfully. Then we'll try to update Marseille, France to Moscow, Russia. Successfully 18 Moscow, Russia. Let's confirm it. Yeah, it also works fine. It changed. And after all, we'll try to delete 18, delete 204 successfully, and here in database we do not have that row. Then in each of the basic calls we have a verification. For example, in get method we get verification of identifier. If we passed identifier that doesn't exist, system will throw an exception that entity do not found with this ID. In post we have validation. If we do not pass some arguments, it will throw validation error. Input we have both of them, both the ID identifier thing and both the update error if we do not pass all the needed features. First of all, in delete method, we also have ID verifier. Also, I want to show a custom API call based on a custom method. It calculates carbon footprint emission for the last user's trip. We pass the user's ID, and the system says us that which user is it, which was his last trip, and what was the last carbon footprint amount. If we passed here user's ID that we do not have in our system, the system will throw this information that user do not found. And if we pass the user that is in our system but hasn't had trips, the system will throw in a message error about that trips do not found. And yeah, that's it about overall APIs. And briefly, I will show like the project's structure. It follows the pattern of Spring Boot pattern. So we have entities on each of the database tables. We have repository. Also on each of them, then services to create business logic, and the last one, controllers to set API directories to manage API calls. Also, we have error exceptions where specify error response and handle all of the exceptions in global exception handler. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for your attention and wish you the best.